Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So guys, today I'm gonna be sharing this amazing recipe with you. It's my bacon wrapped chicken breast stuffed with some cheese. Guys, it tastes so good. Everybody knows that bacon makes everything taste better, so you can imagine when you have chicken wrapped with bacon and stuffed with cheese. It's awesome, and it's made for the perfect dinner when you have someone special coming over for dinner. Try to make this. It looks so impressive and it tastes so good. Guys, you want to learn how to make this recipe? Then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, leave comments down below, and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done that already, please do so right now. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and your family, okay? I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. So we're gonna start off by making our filling. So the first thing we'll need would be some cream cheese, some feta cheese, some goat cheese, garlic, and some spicy hot chilies, sun-dried tomatoes. This tastes so good, guys. My spinach, salt, and pepper. So now I'm gonna go ahead and mix this really well. Guys, take your time here and make sure you mix this thing really good, because you want to make sure all those flavors get mixed up together, all the cheeses marry each other and mix into one delicious filling. So mix it up really good. Then after you're done mixing, go ahead and set this aside, and then we're gonna move ahead with dealing with our chicken. So here I have a really nice chicken boob that I'm gonna try to butterfly. Guys, do not judge me. I am not a trained chef, okay? So this is my attempt at butterflying chicken. I know it's not the neatest, but who cares, okay? Just do what you can, okay? Try to butterfly this as nicely as you can. Cover it with some wax paper and go ahead with your meat mallet and bit the hell out of this chicken breast. So guys, I'm using the smooth end of my meat mallet because I'm not trying to break this meat apart. So use a smooth end, don't use a jagged edge. You can see right there, use a smooth end, okay? So bit this until your chicken boob is as flat as can be. So make it really flat so that way it will be easier for you to roll this up when the time comes for rolling. So this is what it looks like. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and season with some salt and some black pepper because, you know, I don't like bland meat. I like my flavors, and it's time to fill this bad boy up. So put as much filling as you want because, you guys, I'm telling you, this filling is amazing. So pack it up, pack your chicken with as much filling as you can, and then go ahead and roll it up. So gently lift one edge of your chicken and roll this into a log. It's pretty easy, guys. It's simple. So just roll it into a log and then season with some extra black pepper and some salt. But guys, be careful with the salt because, you know, bacon contains a lot of salt. So you don't want to end up with over-salted chicken. So this is how I wrap my chicken log with the bacon. Guys, just watch it and see how it's done. I don't know how to explain this, but just wrap it with the bacon. Make sure you cover the whole thing because you need to keep the entire chicken covered with the bacon, so that way your chicken stays moist and really flavorful, and besides it looks way much better. So go ahead and place this in your pan and set this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. And this is what it looks like in the oven, bubbling. So after 40 minutes, look at what my chicken looks like. It's amazing. So guys, for the last 5 minutes, I set this to broil just to crisp up my bacon and make it look better. So now I'm gonna cover this with some foil to let the chicken rest for just about 5 minutes. And now it's time to slice up these babies. Oh my God, guys, I'm telling you, it is so moist and it feels so juicy and it smells so good. Guys, I cannot wait to dig into this one. It looks amazing. My house smells divine. I'm telling you, it's awesome. You should try this, guys. You should try it. It's amazing. This would make for the perfect dinner when you have someone over because it looks so impressive and it looks like so much work was put into it, but no, this is so easy to make. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. And guys, please share this video, leave comments down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please do so right now. I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.